On June 30, 1953, the last Buick Skylark of its inaugural production year rolls off the line. A luxury convertible built to commemorate Buick's 50th anniversary, the 53 Skylark combined bold style, a 322 cubic inch nailhead V8, and limited production, only 1,690 made. Today, it's a coveted classic that screams post-war American optimism. June 30th, 1966, General Motors unveils the Electro-Van, the world's first hydrogen fuel cell vehicle. Developed by GM's research labs, the Electro-Van was a modified GMC handy van with a futuristic mission. It only had a range of 150 miles and required liquid hydrogen and oxygen, but it sparked the long journey towards zero-emission propulsion. June 30th, 1971. The U.S. Senate votes to mandate the installation of seatbelt buzzers in all new cars. Starting in 1974, if you didn't buckle up, your car wouldn't shut up. Though the rule was later relaxed due to consumer backlash, it helped kickstart a culture of seatbelt safety that continues to save lives. June 30th, 1992, the Dodge Viper RT V10 hits showrooms nationwide. With no airbags, no roof, and a raw 8.0-liter V10 pushing 400 horsepower, the Viper wasn't just a car. It was an American thunderbolt on wheels. It marked Chrysler's wild rebirth of the muscle car ethos for a new generation.